welcome to my channel. I am Alif Rahman Saputra. Today I will give you about Asia FX. Bears retreat slightly, China concerns persist, Reuters poll. Bearish bids on ASEAN currencies reduces on signs that China's economic pain might abate with easing of COVID-19 curves. But analysts were still wary of future lockdowns and the direction of U.S. monetary policy. Reuters poll short on Tuesday. Short positions on South Korea's won and the Taiwanese dollar were at their lowest since late February, while those on the China's yuan slipped to a 6-week low. Wow. According to the fortnightly survey of 11 respondents, investor sentiment improved compared with a fortnight ago as major Chinese cities, including Shanghai, rolled back curbs after a 2-month lockdown, and as the country unveiled new stimulus measures to bolster its economy. The yuan, whose depreciation had triggered a sell-off in other ASEAN currencies in mid until April, recovered from a 20-month low it touched a couple of weeks ago. However, analysts are still skeptical about China's economic growth. I'm not sure our growth concerns have wanted all that much, said Rob Corner, head of research and chief economist for Asia Pacific at Inc. There is a lot of doubt that this rising curves in Shanghai marks the end of China's problems with COVID-19 and lockdowns. Sentiment in Asia was also aided by cooling expectations of aggressive U.S. interest rate hikes, although worries over inflation and a global recession have festered amid ambiguous signaling from the Fed and its governors. Short positions on the Thai baht were at their lows since April, ahead of a key central bank meeting next week, where a relaxation of COVID-19 curbs helped the country's economy show gradual improvement in May. Its headline, inflation has already breached the central bank's target range, but is yet to signal its intent to normalize policy. But we see a rising rise for a hawkish shift. Economists at DBS wrote in a note adding that the first hike could come in the fourth quarter of 2022. Other Asian central banks have moved to tighten policies in recent months amid rising inflationary pressures and economic rebound from the pandemic, and a hawkish stance from the Fed. Last week, South Korea's central bank delivered its second consecutive rate hike and forecast further aggressive increases to restore customer inflation down from 13-year hike. Back-to-back hikes by the Bank of Korea follow. More than 100 cumulative basis points of tech-turning since August 2021 in one of the most forceful tech-turning campaigns ever by the bank. The ASEAN currency positioning pool is focused on what analysts and fund managers believe on the current market positions in the 9 ASEAN emerging market currencies: the Chinese yuan, Korea won, Singapore dollar, Indonesia rupiah, Taiwan dollar, Indian rupee, Philippine peso, Malaysian ringgit, and the Thai baht. The pool uses estimates of net long or short positions on a scale of -3 to +3. Score of +3 indicates the market is significantly long US dollars. The figures include positions held through non-deliverable forwards or NDFs. Thank you for watching my video. See you.